Hello, it's me, Just Lifestyle Japan, a blogger in Japan. I wanna show about my life here in Japan. I like outdoor or travel or hiking. What else about outdoor adventure? If you know my channel, are you viewer? Please don't forget to hit bottom and like and share. Mga commenter, thank you so much to your comment there. And guys, keep on watching and don't skip the ad. Even my salary of YouTube is small. I don't big deal that, but thank you your support always. So walang sawang support sa aking channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Sa aking mga members, shout out. Thank you so much. And support shouter, sticker, what else. Thank you mga my friend in YT world. Shout out sa aking mga ka-team dyan. Alam na ninyo dyan sino kayo. Silent viewer, thank you so much so you're watching my video. Always you are there. Domo arigatou gozaimashita. Assalamualaikum. Kamsahamnida. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa panood ninyo. Where are you from? Thank you so much helping to make more viewer. Ito yung video ko, gusto ko lang kukunin, parang may makontent lang ako po guys ha. Nitake kong video yan sa aming bahay, room ng anak ko, kasi maganda talagang view dito sa third floor namin guys. Yung bahay namin third floor, hindi ko pa na na-share ko, iwan ko, hindi ko yan, hindi ko masyadong mag-i-share kung about sa aking personal. Just now, this time, i-share ko na lang sa labas guys ha. Malaking palayan guys, ang ganda naman. Palayan nila, malalaki talaga. Pero hindi yan sa amin guys ha. Naganahan lang ko sa view pa dito sa labas namin, sa bintana ng anak ko sa Anyway guys, maraming salamat yun talaga sa inyong walang sawang panood sa aking video nang walang kwenta. Thank you guys ha. Thank you. Always thank you. Balik naman na guys. Salamat jud kaayo. Do tayo orange pagid kaayo. Buntag sayo ni siya guys. Kung lang gikuan og video. Gani kung nagtanong mo kung bakit nagsagol-sagol ang aking language, para lang naapoy makasabot ang uban ba na ay tagalaing lasod kung saan kayo. Anyway guys ha, keep on watching and don't skip the art. Sige pa, dayon na lang ako guys ha. Dito na lang taman, magsaba-saba ko guys ha. Shout out na lang sa inyo again ha. Thank you. Mwah.